Hello and welcome to Tango View. Today I will show you how to stream on multi-platforms through Omelette Arcade. First, before you start streaming on multi-platforms, you must have a subscription, Omelette Plus membership. With that option, we will benefit from those advantages. The first step, choose the live streaming software you want to use, like OBS Studio. Then, paste custom RTMP URI, also stream key in the settings stream, and use authentication of Omelette Arcade. Step 2. Connect on Facebook and choose your gaming page, also with Twitch too. And about YouTube, you need just paste the stream key. And don't forget, you must open it in the same browser. On the right side, you have to create the stream info, title, description, and choose the game or category. Finally, in the last step, click on the button Start Streaming in OBS Studio, then click on the button Go Live in Omelette Arcade. Now you can see your stream on 4 platforms together. Finally, I hope the video helps you and you like it. See you next time on the same channel, Tango View.